Dr. Bhushan Patil, Dean Research and Development, welcome Dr. S.N. Teli on behalf of Institute IPR Cell and IIC Cell of Father CRC Bandra. And we are here to listen from Dr. S.N. Teli, who is a very renowned person in the field of IPR. And I will briefly introduce him. He is a professor and head of Department of Mechanical Engineering at Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. And he has completed his PhD in mechanical engineering, and having 24 years of teaching experience, he has published more than 40 plus books and 40 plus PG projects has been guided. And such an eminent person is there. And uh, he has a YouTube channel for mechatronics, control engineering, and IPR. More than 45 videos are uploaded on his channels, having more than 18K views are there. And he has more than 140 plus papers published, having more than 400 plus citations, and he's having H index of 10. 4 research proposals he has already presented. 15 design patents are already published, and 1 patent is granted. 15 papers he has reviewed at Springer, EMLAD, and Ender Science. 5 session chairs for various international conferences. He is a member of IPR cell of University of Mumbai, as well as he is a board of studies at Amity University. And there are many other outstanding contribution and outstanding research awards. He has bagged many several such kind of award. And such a eminent person is in front of us to speak. Especially, I requested him to give a knowledge about how to file a patent, what are the procedures involved in it, and he agreed for it. So, without wasting a time, I will hand over the things to Dr. Teli. Dr. Teli, sir, welcome, and you can go ahead.
Good evening, one and all. Respected Dr. Bhushan Patil, sir. Thanks for a nice introduction as well as invitation to share a piece of knowledge with you. So today I'm sharing some knowledge, practical knowledge related to IPR process, intellectual property process. So I'll start my presentation. Today's contents are some contents: DKIW model, data, knowledge, information and wisdom, creativity and critical thinking, design thinking, invention and innovation, intellectual property right and types of IP, World Intellectual Property Organization, intellectual properties offices in India, patent design and copyright process, trademark process, and SI semiconductor, SICLD process, case study 1, design patent, case study 2, patent, case study 3, copyright, and which are the I published the patent as well as filed. So this is first I'll take a half an hour basics of IPR, then I'll start IPR. For IPR, these are the basic things, prerequisites, especially this pyramid, data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. Just you see that the beauty of this pyramid. So we are working in this pyramid only. Especially first we get the data, individual facts, figures, signals, measurements. From the data, we are finding some context that is called information. If the information is organized, structured, categorized, useful, condensed, and calculated, from the information, we are finding a meaning that is called knowledge, idea, learning, notion, concept, synthesized, compared, thought out, and discussed. So we are working at knowledge, but nowadays the required is wisdom. So the wisdom is insight of knowledge, that is understanding, integration, applied, reflected upon, actionable, accumulated principles, pattern, and decision-making process. So who will take a best decisions? Because you will be working in industry and all. Every step you have to take a decision. The good quality decision, who is taking the quality decision and proper decision is who is having a, or who or she is having a wisdom. So wisdom is required, and for all whatever I am talking, information, knowledge, wisdom. Only thing is that learning, relearning, lifelong learning, blended learning, reread, research, search, and research. Only that is a possible through what thinking, and you should involve in the research, you should involve in the learning, you should involve in the learning new things and observation, critical thinking, everything. So especially for this pyramid, you see that today I have a knowledge, I have some particular area I have a knowledge. It may be any subject, artificial intelligence or Python or otherwise IPR, otherwise mechatronics. You take any subject, otherwise lean management, and but worldwide the research is going on daily. Lakhs of papers, research articles are publishing, and patents are publishing in number of more than 1,000 per day. And so today, if I have knowledge, if I am not updating, so within a couple of years, if this becomes information, so within a couple of years becomes data. Then after that, we are nowhere. So that's why I'm showing this pyramid for a student, for a professor, for a researcher, anybody. So up to the last breath, we should learn, we should update the knowledge. Then only we can stay in the market, we can stay in the competition. Otherwise, we can create an identity. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Second thing is a creativity. Creativity is not just for artists, musicians, writers, and designers. We're all creative, but the people who are known for it have spent the time cultivating, falling at it, and working as it. So we are all creators, but so many times, or 90% of people, okay, my IQ is less, I'm not intelligent, I'm not a hard worker. Okay, so due to the inferiority complex or some underestimating, so we are not falling in the creativity. So creativity is a intelligence having a fun. So main thing is that we should we should be a passionate. Whenever we have a fashion, then definitely will the innovation comes from the mind. Then definitely we can go for some patent and publishing the research articles and all. Creativity is the ability to think and act in a ways that there are new and novel. Novel means what? First time you are reading, first time you are hearing. The novel is the common word in the innovation, in the patent. Okay, so always the patent office is asking, what is your novel? A novel of the work means first time something, the first time. Okay, after some years, after 10 years, after 5 years, this novel become a very common. Fine, but today at this point of time, you should have some novel. In our minds, there are two kinds of creativity: innovation and invention. Example, Uber. Creativity was necessary in producing the concept of ride sharing and for making a driving jobs accessible to any individual. Only from one idea, Uber, they are earning crores of money without investing anything. So that is called creativity. That is called idea. And that if they are doing a commercialization, that becomes an innovation. So creative products evaluation, every problem that being solved can be solved again in a better way. You take any product, so if you think on that product or a process also, not only always a product, the process, examination process, okay, or class conducting process, class monitoring process, you take any process or the university level, all the processes, college level processes, mechanisms or policies. If you go on thinking, you can do better way. So there is a scope for doing a better thing. So critical thinking is the best understood as the ability of thinkers to create a charge of their own thinking. Critical thinking is the objective analysis of facts to form a judgment. So the critical thinking consists of analyze, infer, evaluate, interpret, generate, reason. So as an engineer or as a human being, they have to do some critical thinking in their own areas. Suppose if you see in the book, if the program is or the problem is solved by some method, so why I should not solve by another method? That is called critical thinking. If you start for finding a one more parallel method, okay, even if you solve by sine theta, if you solve by cos theta, if you solve by tan theta, so that is called a critical thinking. Something you should find your own ways. Okay. And critical thinking and creative thinking. Critical thinking comes from left brain, and creative thinking comes from right brain. And critical thinking from the ultimately analyzing, evaluating, reasoning, problem solving, decision making. Creative thinking, it generates the idea, and ultimately the problem solving and decision making. We should have a way. Okay, you take any doctor, engineer, lawyer, everybody has to solve what the problems. You find a solution. You should always the solution side. Okay, and you are always you are to expect the problems. And it's design thinking, shortly I'll cover all the basics very fast because I want to show all the practical things on IPR. So design thinking is the new hotcake, new area. By using design thinking as is a user-centered approach to problem solving. And design is not a just what it looks like or a feel like. Design is it works. So actually design thinking is less about thinking and more about doing. Design thinking refers to cognitive, strategic, and practical process by which design concepts. Okay, so this is also one basic pillar of basic pillar is required for IPR. And design thinking consists of 5 steps. In many universities, it has some universities it is an elective for final year. Okay, so design thinking is a subject. It consists of empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. There are 5 steps. Okay, so I'll not explain much about design thinking in this case. And now I'll come to the invention. So invention is very, very tough because it takes a time. Ultimately, the research will not come in a night or a year. It takes some in a research. If you want to do some, at least 5 years is required. That too, if you involve more time, you will get a good result or you will get some conclusion. Like invention is very, very tough. Original one, the anything new or different made by people is an invention. People who create inventions are called inventors. The creation of product or the introduction of process for the first time. Always you should not think only product. So process also. The patent process can patentable. Idea can patentable. Only idea can also patentable. So a process can patentable. Even many in the management subjects, lean manufacturing and TRIDGE. You take industrial management and okay, many processes are there. If you design something, system design and all, if you draw the flow chart and if you explain something is new, and definitely that also become patentable. Okay, sometimes if the stuff is less, then you can go for copyright, especially for algorithms and computer programs. Okay, so that you can go for copyright. So inventions are created to help make life easier and better. Why all those things? Invention, innovation, patent, and publication, research. So these are all required. Ultimately, everybody has a moral responsibility to work for society and to help for the society, to make the life should be easier for the society. So that even in medical field, okay, the vaccine and all, the doctors, they day and night, thousands and thousands of doctors in the labs they are spent, and they found out some solution. Like in engineering also, our responsibility to publish research papers as well as publish a patent and do the research. And invention, Many inventions keep people safe. Other inventions are made to solve the problems. Okay, especially Japanese people, they are finding all the inventions, seat belt, okay, and airbags, even mask, everything. Japanese people, they are very much keen about safety of the life. Okay, some, okay, like USA and all, they are very much solving the present problems. And innovation, slightly different from invention and innovation. Invention is okay, it is possible from us. The innovation happens when someone improves on or makes a significant contribution to something that has already been invented, and converting the knowledge into wealth is called innovation, and innovation is a complex process. Innovation can be simply defined as a new idea, creative thoughts, new imagination in the form of device or a method. There is a way to do it better. Find it. Thomas Edison. Always innovation. Even there is umbrella. Suppose if you change the slight structure of the umbrella, some mechanism of the umbrella, that becomes an innovation. You can go for patent. Okay. Initially, uh, the invention. Initially, who invented umbrella? That is called invention. But if you are slight modification, you are doing a better way. Okay, in that product, some problems are there. Suppose if you solve that problems, 10% problem, that becomes an innovation. And innovation should have a base of or intersection of technology, people, business. Without technology, you cannot tell it is working, this mechanism is working, or okay, you should give us some background of technology, definitely. And this should be helpful for the people desirability. Okay, so that is very important. People should use because there is a required for people. And business viability. Suppose if your product, suppose a pen, the cost is 200, 500, then nobody will take. If the cost is 10 to 20 rupees, okay, that there's a business viability also you have to show. Then it will becomes a easily patentable. So the relation between creativity, invention, and innovation. So first, the fresh idea comes from your mind, you do some invention. You read a research papers, what the throughout the world, what they found out. Then you go for innovation. Innovation is nothing but what business point of view, production point of view, manufacturing point of view. So don't jump from fresh idea into innovation. Even in company, if in the design people or research R&D people, they find something, they are not immediately jumped into innovation. They are not purchasing all the tools. They are not starting the extension of the uh, company and all. They will wait and they will see the results, and then they will go for innovation. Okay, invention to innovation. Wheel in invention. From the wheel, you are using this wheel in the different applications, thousands of lakhs of applications, in a turbine, in a two-wheeler, four-wheeler. Whenever you are using the wheel, okay, in a motors, that is called innovation. And even laser, the laser you are using in printer and in CD, okay, even in a sensors and all, that is called innovation. So I'll come to my today's topic actually, that is called the intellectual property. The intellectual property protects creations of the mind. IP may include original ideas, research result, critical business information. IP is different from real property. So what are the real properties? Real property may be house, real property may be land, real property may be gold. But intellectual property doesn't have any boundary. And real property is a tangible. Tangible means you can sell now. Okay, it has some market value, today's market value. But IP, you cannot measure the value. It person to person or depend upon the need. If one company will ask to you 2 lakh rupees uh, or offer you 2 lakh rupees to get the design from you, one company may be 2 crore. Depend upon the need. So that IP, it is after all in your mind. It is invisible. only you are putting on the paper, then there is a visible. And IP doesn't have any boundary. People can earn recognition or financial benefit from what they invent or create. The foundation of IP should has or have a science, technology, and law. Because in IP, a lot of laws are there. Suppose, okay, usually this patent lawyers can apply the patent. Otherwise, some if even engineers they will sit for exam. When they will pass, they will get a number that they will become a patent agent. Otherwise, also you can apply self. You can sell two modes. One is offline, one is online. In offline, okay, in a Mumbai, luckily, fortunately, there is an office near to Wadala station in Top Hill. If you go to there are many central government employees in office. And if it is a mechanical, some different people are there, electronics, computer. Okay, they will guide to you. These are the forms. You fill these forms, and this much is the money, and how to write the draft, and then everything they will guide to you. Then you submit. Otherwise, if you don't want to go to the Intop Hill also, you can apply through your portal, and for that you need a digital signature. So class 2 or class 3, anyone. Class 2 in India for patent, class 2 is okay, but for international patenting, class 3 is required. Class 2 digital signature, that is called a login and password, indirectly login and password. So many Mudra is a one company. There are 4 or 5 companies. Just you do the Google digital signature. There are 4 or 5 companies. You can purchase any company. Nearly prices are same. 3 years, 3,000 rupees, and they will send everything. There is a pen drive, and then they will guide to you on the phone. Okay, I have purchased the digital signature. I know the method. And keeping away from the competitors, encourage creativity and innovation. Ultimately, it's my responsibility. I should become a role model. People should follow me, at least 5 people, 10 people in the department or in the class, because I should not be in the crowd. I should be away from the crowd. Crowd should follow, so that then only your identity will create. Then only you will recognize, and then only you have a growth. And ultimately, everyone needs a growth. So you can get a growth through what research and innovation and whatever knowledge and hard working and all. And types of intellectual property: patent, and it is called patent or utility patent. Second is industrial design or design patent. Okay, both the words, industrial design in the India, but in the USA it is called design patent. Next is a copyright. The next one is a trademarks. And next is semiconductor integrated circuit layout designs, SICLD, geographical indications, plant variety and farmers' right protection, industrial and trade secrets. And the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, or WIPO, sometimes WIPO or WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. Okay, WIPO provides a global policy forum where the government's intergovernmental organization, industry groups, and civil society come together to address evolving intellectual property issues. It has established in 1967, and 193 countries are members. India is also a member. Headquarters at Geneva in Switzerland, external offices at Algeria and China and Japan, Russia, Singapore, even newly Dubai and all. Okay, we are expecting in India also. And nowadays, everything you are sending through email and all. There's no need to go to any office. Suppose if you catch one agent, there is no need to go even examination and all. Everything will be through the explanation, and they are not asking any physical product. Okay, so whatever you are drawing on the paper, AutoCAD figure or even 3D modeling figure, and your explanation is sufficient for them. And intellectual properties in India, SICLD are in Delhi, Patent Office, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Design Wings, Kolkata, Trademarks Registry, Mumbai Head Office, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Ahmedabad, and Geographical Indication Registry, Chennai, Copyrights Office, Delhi, Plant Varieties at Delhi. Plant varieties like, that is called Ratnagiri Amba and something. You can take a name on for a plant variety and all. And patent, I'll come to the patent. The patents are granted for inventions for a product, its process, or a process which is a novel, has inventive step and industrial applicability. Main in a patent, you should show that it will help for industry, especially industry people can manufacture, and it will help for industry. It is recommended that you do not publish or display your invention before filing a patent application. And one more thing, if you publish the paper, then you apply for the patent in a search that will catch, and then they will tell already your innovation or a novel in the public domain. So that please take care. Even you want to publish the paper, you should publish at the surface level, not the entire figure and entire thing. Always maintain a records for your invention, and conduct a search before filing an application to judge the feasibility of grant IP. Or in Mumbai, there is a TIFAC, so or Department of Science and Technology, or a patent lawyer. You can search because you don't have any engine to search this, or there is no any free engine to search the already patent as applied. So that what you have to do, Department of Science and Technology, Rajiv Gandhi Department Science and Technology, you can send a mail. They will send to the TIFAC. Within 30 days, they will send to your search report in a free. Otherwise, with a lawyer, at least they are charging for 10,000 rupees. Okay. So why it is required? You are applying a patent, and if already somebody is applied, the energy and money will waste. Okay. And 20 years from filing date, once the patent is granted, in a patent there are two steps. That is very important. In a patent, the first step is filing. Okay, you are filing. Second is published. It will publish within 1 month. Otherwise, it will publish after 1 year. It depends on you. Suppose that is called early publication. For a filing of a patent, the government fee is 1,600 rupees. For a filing of patent, 1,600 rupees. If you pay 2,500, that is early publication. Within 1 month, it will publish. Otherwise, if you are filing 1,600 rupees, after 12 months, it will publish automatically. Okay. And the main thing is that publishing is not important. Okay, there is an intermediate step. Then you apply for the request for examination. And usually what the people are doing, you suppose your project at the initial stage, they are applying for patent, then you have a 2 years time. Within 2 years, you have to apply for examination. That fee is 4,500. So total fees for patent, government fee is 10,000 rupees. But the agent is charging 60,000 rupees. 50,000 is for professional fees, because a lot of drafting is involved, as well as at least two examination query will come, at least. So whenever they are asking, it is difficult to understand ourselves what they are asking. So that the lawyer, they know how to write and how to write diplomatically, how to write in the lawyer language and all. So that is easy. But even nowadays also, okay, due to online and all, you can apply for self also. Self or otherwise offline. So total, the cost, the government fee is 10,000, and the total time for publishing is only 1 month. But the examination, if everything, it includes 2 to 3 years, minimum 2 years and maximum 3 years. So they have a time bond. They have to complete within 3 years. Initially it was 4 years. Now they have reduced into 3 years. Okay, in future it will be reduced into 2 years also. And Some patents are published within 1 year or so. The cases are less, 1.5 years, but normally at the 2 years. Okay, so if any questions you can ask at the end, no issue. And what is not patentable? A method or agriculture or horticulture, medical treatment process is not patentable. Mathematical model, if any E is equal to MC square, it was not a patented, it was a copyright. Okay, and business method, because they know some mathematical modeling should directly help to the society. They have some logic. Even dramatic work, they should be a copyright, not a patent. Okay, so some are even atomic energy related, that should not be a patentable. So patented products, very simple product. They are patented in 1884, the razor, Gillette razor, and they have enjoyed for 15 years. They have enjoyed for 20 years, and subjected to payment of annual renewal process, no extension beyond 20 years. 20 years they have enjoyed, and after 20 years, anybody can copy, anybody can manufacture. Okay, so all Apple products, they have patented. Some are copyright, some are trademark. So one product you can go for multiple IPR protection. Even one product you can go for 4 IPR protection. One is patent, second is design patent, third is copyright, fourth is trademark. Copyright means catalog. Whatever their catalog, the other company should not print as it is. Okay. And the patented product, Ravel plug, it was a patented for 20 years. Even paper separator, even plug. Okay. And even the dog mouth caps, or even many food related or kitchen related, many items, small items, you can go for patented. So only in the patent you should tell what is the advantage, what are the applications and advantage, and how it made up of. It is a made up of steel, or it is a made up of some material, and that is very important. And the patent registration process, there is a very typical. Suppose they will send a query even to the agent. If you through the agent, if you are not replying within 6 months, automatically it has cancelled. Many patents are cancelled due to they are not replied within six months. Whenever they are asking any question after first exam, FER means first examination report. Once you receive the FER, then if you are not replying within 6 months, it will be amended or it will be cancelled. So that care we have to take care in the patent registration process. In the patent, there are two steps. One is publication, early publication or a publication. Second is a grant. Usually all the patents will be published, and then after that nobody is caring. So grant is a final, you will get a certificate. And design patent or a industrial design, okay, that is very easy. All your final year projects, because it will cover only the aesthetic, it will cover only the look, it will cover only the color, how the product will be looking same to same. The people should not copy. If they are copying, then you can claim you will get a lot of money. Like in between Samsung and Apple, some issues are going on. So Apple has owned the matter, so that they have got all the benefits. And design patent is only in the design patent only one step. In a patent, 2 steps, publication and grant. Here only publication, and it will take 6 months to 2 years. And the cost of the price or the registration fee, government fee, is only 1,000 rupees. But the agent is taking 11,000 rupees. 1,000 the government fee and 10,000 is a processing fee. Okay. And I'll show all the formats. What are the formats of design patent and what are the formats for patent. And it is also the process. It is less complicated than patent. And here also within 6 months you have to reply. Otherwise, if you are not replying, then it will be abandoned or cancelled. And what is a copyright? Copyright laws protects the expression of an idea, not the idea itself. whatever the idea you should express, you should write in a brief. Okay, that is called copyright. Suppose if you want to talk about anything, COVID and all, so you have to express in the detail, and the copyright may be one page or even one para, even one line, or it may be book. There is no requirement for novelty or uniqueness as there in the patent law. So in the patent, lot of they will see the uniqueness. Suppose in the patent, in a one machine, you find out you are in the patent, you are claiming the parts. This is my part, this is my mechanism and all. Even the printing machine, suppose if one more machine, they are not only finding your uniqueness in the printing machine, they are finding that mechanism maybe in the agriculture machines also. They will tell this mechanism is already used in different machine, so that you have to remove your claim. So that the patent is required a lot of time, but in the copyright and all, only 100% or line to line or word to word sentence and all. Okay, if you are copied, then only they will catch you. Otherwise, straight away it will publish. The cost is, copyright cost is 2,500 rupees, government fee, and usually the agent will take 8 to 10,000 rupees for copyright. And here also there is a problem. They are asking some small queries. If the agent is not replying the query within 6 months, that will be abandoned. Once again, you have to reapply. Otherwise, you have to apply fresh. Okay. So this is for because patent is for 20 years, and design patent is for 10 years, and 5 years you can extend. But this is for lifelong, lifetime of the author until 60 years from the death of the author. Even after death, also 60 years, you are an owner. I think it is a copyright registration process. Okay. And work covered under copyright: drawing, painting, screenplay, drama, musical notation, and all. And what is a trademark? Trademark is, this is for logo, letters, words or a logo, pictures, combination of a word and a logo, slogans, and product shape. Even you see the apple. Okay, same color and same size of apple. And nobody can use the symbol or a logo for other product also. Okay. Trademark is specially for companies. The company people, they are using 10 years from the filing, and every 10 years they have to renew. Okay, the trademark registration process. And then next is semiconductor integrated circuit. This is for electronic students. So this is like a design patent, and 10 years from the date of filing an application for the registration. A layout of transistors and other circuitry elements, including lead wires connected in a semiconductor integrated circuits. And one product you can go for multiple IPR protection. The first one is a copyright, or suppose mobile copyright, catalog of the copyright, catalog of the mobile. You can go for copyright. The procedure, okay, what are the how to restart, and okay, how to use, and what do's and don'ts and all. And trademark is a symbol. They are using one typical symbol of each mobile. Patent, so inside mechanism, software and hardware, everything it will cover. Design patent is outside look, the screen guard, how much the size of the screen, and the color, and or chamfering and all. So that is a design patent. And even car also, patent, you can go for patent. Not entire car. Suppose if you are using some one or two mechanism, AC is a special AC you are using, that is not in the other car. You can go for the patenting of that AC for the automobile. Okay, and because already car is invented, and the copyright catalog of that copyright, design, outside look, it may be the usually unique, and trademark you can use. So classes and subclasses will come under design patent. Okay, so we have to mention which in my design patent will be in which class and which subclass. But for patent, there is no required. Okay. And the benefits of IP registration, you know that economic benefits consumer and society, innovation, establishes the ownership and legal benefits also. Okay, for even you are a final year students and all, if you are filed a patent, then it will helpful for higher studies, MBA and MS. They will consider a lot of weightage, and even for a campus interview and all, it shows that your inclination is towards to the something new. You are always, you have a humbleness, you have a some culture or okay, you are always finding something new, which should helpful for the society. And case study one, I'll show design patent. The first step is file the application. Application has to file, and the the first is filled application and sent to the agent. So what is this application? Otherwise, I'll show. Um, 1 minute. First step application I'll show. Okay, show from here. No, show. So in this case, you have to write a name. And in the design patent, I'm talking about design patent, it may be 10 names, 20 names, 30 names, no limit. But first 4 names they will consider, and other names are it all. Okay. So all names will consider, but on the certificate, you will get only first 4 names. Okay. So, and then you give the address. And then in design patent, I'm not talking about patent, design patent. So just you write some solar panel mounting for rooftop structure. I applied in the last March, and it was published in month of November, within 6 months. Okay, luckily one query was we received, and I have applied all through agent. Okay, just we have written for which purpose I am using solar panel mounting rooftop structure, and advantages. I have written advantage, only this much is sufficient. And then you paste 7 views. There is a 3D view, perspective view, and then front view we have drawn in a SolidWorks or a Creo. Okay, bottom view and left hand view, right hand view. Okay, simple word format you send to the where you send to the agent. Otherwise, okay. Then second is, then he will send, the agent will send a power of attorney, because you give the power to the lawyer or an agent. Okay, that's called power of attorney. So he will type your name, whatever the name you are given. Okay, he will send whatever the name, and he will send the mail. You take a printout on the 100 rupees or 500 rupees bond, depend upon the lawyer. Some lawyer, they are asking on, our agents are asking on 500 bond, and on the bond, all the signatures are required. All whatever the applicants are there, all the signatures are required. And once you send, you will file online, and after filing, automatically the receipt will generate. On the receipt, there is a number. Then you can see immediately the status of your design patent. On the spot, you can see. Okay, so even online application, it has generated through the agent, whatever the online, and names in all the pages, he has mentioned the names. You will send this document, because this is the proof one, all the names are there, as well as the agent. Okay, and here your all the names, and this is one more copy, and this is the payment receipt, 1000 rupees payment receipt. On the receipt there is a number, 6-digit number. Okay, this is a receipt. On the receipt only the name of your design patent, and this is a number, 6-digit. Nowadays, initially it was 6-digit. Nowadays 6-digit plus dash copy. So how to see this immediately? How to see the status? So you go to the Google, design registration status, design registration status. Okay, design application status, design application. Then you have to paste this number, paste, and captcha 57A7M. And here he has mentioned all the names, whatever the names are there. This is also one more proof, because on the certificate only 4 names, and design accepted and published, and journal number 2711. Okay, so 2711, how to see this detail? Because here there is no any your figure and all. This is a sort of supporting document, not a full fruit document. So that what I'll do, I'll go to 2711 2020. So I'll go to the next website. Next step is patent Indian patent. So here IP India government in. I'll click on here. Every Friday, Government of India at 5 o'clock publishing the patents as well as design patents. The copyright website is different. Okay. And trademark website is different. I am talking about design patent and patent. Here there is a publication, journal. You click on journal. Last Friday is also published. Okay, within 1 minute it will open, because the huge data is called publication and journal. Every Friday means monthly. There are 4 journals it is publishing. Okay, if you want to see the first May 27, what is the date? 2711. So 2711, and design. Part 1 and part 2 are the patent, full patent or utility patent. Part 3 is a design patent. And here you can control F, you can put daily. Okay. Control F. Okay, it comes here. Here this is the pull through, because here there is a journal number 48/2020, date 2711, and page number. And here there is a figure also, drawing also, and title also, solar panel mounting for rooftop. And date of registration is 21 March, and date of publishing is 2711, 6 months, 6 to 7 months. And here the names, only Etol. After 4 names there is a Etol. Okay, first 4 names, and after that class 13.3, and design number is this. So these are all the design patents published in that particular journal and particular volume and year. So these are all design patents. Okay, or there's only one publication over, and everything is controlled by Kolkata. In COVID, there's a lot of delays going on. Double time, they are taking double time. Sometimes 6 months, sometimes 1 year, sometimes. Go on seeing the status. Okay, here these are all. So final year, all the projects you can go for design patent. Final year projects. Only good projects, some special mechanism and all, you go for patent. 1 or 2 projects always there in every batch. very good projects. So we can go apply for patent. Okay. So even watch and all, slight change in the design. Okay, and they used to write a one application. What is the use of this watch? So it may be more grip. Okay, maybe some 1 or 2 lines they will write uniqueness of their product, one helmet and all. Okay, they have to write 1 or 2 lines why you are publishing, how your helmet is different from other helmets. You have to write. Okay, design, sure, the design is different because they will check in the engine the same to same design, they will reject. Otherwise already it is a public domain, the name and shape in the any paper and all they will send to you, already it is in the public domain, so it will not publish. So I showed about the design patent. I have given idea about design patent. And design patent, how much I have published this, all are from the final year BE projects. Certificate, ultimately you will get the certificate. On the certificate, first 4 names, and below they will write it is for 10 years, the date of application, because already it has published 1 year later, then 10 minus 1 only remaining is 9 years. Okay, so this is the certificate. And may I go to the case study 2 patent. In a patent, slightly it is a different. There are 5 forms: Form 1, Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 5, and Form 9. Okay, so Form 2 is very important. There is a drafting. Actually, the lawyer is taking money for Form 2. Okay, Form 2, everything is you are mentioning. Form 1 is you are writing your names and all. And Form 3 is for filing, and Form 5 for examination. I'll show all the forms first. Okay, so Form 1. The Form 1 is, these are available in the Google, otherwise you can take from me, no issue. So Form 1, you are writing all the names, just you are writing all the names and addresses. Form 1 is over. Nothing is there in the Form 1. And here, in this case, in the patent, there are 2 things. In a design patent only, you are mentioning the names, means all are applicants. But here, there are 2 categories. The first one is called the applicant. Second is called what? Inventors. You can put a same name. For example, college. If the college is paying the entire money, then the college is insisting you put college name is applicant and other names are inventors. Otherwise, you are applying your by own money and all. You can suppose three faculty or students with faculty. You can put all 5 names are applicant and all 5 names are the inventors. Applicants, whenever there is a financial issue in future, if anybody is ready to purchase your design, the first they will deal with applicants, then they will deal with inventors. So slight difference between this. This is the Form 2, what you are writing in the Form 2. In the Form 2, you are writing the field of invention, background, and the objectives of invention. Slight different, it's not a very standard one. Summary of invention, description of drawings. Okay, drawings. So you are drawing a 2D figure. Here 3D figure is not required in a patent, but in the design patent 3D figure is required if possible. But in the design patent 2D figure is required, and you have to mention name, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because 1 is your claim, something you find out 1. 2 is your own design. 3, 4 you have to write below what are the claims, 1, 2, 3, 4. But out of that they will tell only you are eligible for 1 and 2, 3 and 4 already found out in some other products also, in the same products also. Okay, scope of invention. Okay, this is we have applied our own actually. Form 3 is for what? Undertaking. 3 is for undertaking. Same, only one page. And 5 is for what? Filing. 5 is for declaration, inventorship. Okay, the patent rules. 5 and all the names. The last one, form 9, is for early publication. So the request for publication. So for this you have to pay for 2,500. Otherwise, if you are not early, if you pay 2,500, then within 1 month it will publish. Otherwise, it will take 1 year. In a free also you can publish. So these are the forms. Okay. So main form is form 2. Otherwise, to agent, just you give your project report, they will write everything. They will write everything. Okay. Otherwise, you have to prepare. How to see all documents in the website? In the website, you can see anybody document. Okay. Those who are already published. Those who are already published, you can see the document. The step 1 forms and patent published. Okay. The some form 1 is 1,600 rupees. You apply filing. Form 2 is free. Okay. Form 3 is also free. Form 5 is also free. Form 9 is 2,500 for early publication. And request for examination. Within 2 years you can apply, or day 1 also you can apply. The total is 4,100 plus 4,000, 8,100 rupees. It's a government fee. Okay. So here, for example, mine is automatic transmission. It has granted. As everything is over. And the first one is published. Okay. And third one is, it is not mine, third one, it is also published. And now it may be granted also. So let us see. And then they will give the certificate and online certificate. In the design patent, they will send hard copy. But in the patent, you can download from your website, no issue. So that how to see this, for example, I want to see this automatic transmission. This is the number. This is a 12-digit number. Copy. Then patent status, not a design state, not a design status. This is called patent status. So intellectual property public search. In this case, application status. Here you have to paste 37WD6. Number, okay. Number, then on that. This is our patent. What it is telling: initially filed, then published. Publish you can skip also, but if you publish it is good because online you can see your name and all. Then RQ filed means what? Examination requested. We have applied for examination requested. Then under examination is also over. Then disposed. Disposed means final registration. So you can see the documents, what are the, and application number and name of applicant. We have applied through one company because startup company. We have applied in 2018. Publication is 2018. Okay. So actually we have applied in 2017. We have applied in 2017. It is showing you can see the document, and here it has mentioned granted application patent, means patent is granted, and you will get a new number, 6-digit new number after granted. Here these are the document, depends, because many queries, many times we have changed the agents and all. You can see certificate, intimation granted, patent certificate. Anybody can see my certificate also, because I have, this is a certificate, and here it has mentioned the name of company, 20 years from 3rd day of July, means 2016 I have applied. So 2016 it has granted in 2020. Okay, 4 years, 20 years. Okay, so this is a certificate, and then you can see the any kind of complete specification. You can see claims, which are the claims I have done. Actually, I'll show in the complete specification. There is called form 2 complete specification. Okay, this is a complete. And actually you can see the drawing. Drawing is a separate file. In the drawing, 2D figure is required, numbering system. Okay, so this is the drawing. You can draw 2D or you can draw 3D, no issue. We applied through the agent, and each part once again numbering. Automatic gear system for two-wheeler. Okay. Like this, you can see, anyway, if you know the number, you can see the anybody's patent. Suppose, for example, online, we have only published, we are not applied for examination. Just you see that this we have applied in the last September probably, and it has published within 1 month. We have to go for examination. Okay, so once again I'll see the patent status. Design application status is different, only design. This is for patent status. Here application status. Patent application number format is invalid. 1 minute. Number, anything is missing. Otherwise I'll apply this. Okay, this is also published. Granted application recently published 5/1. It is published recently. The dates are available here. So request for examination is 29/5, and publication is within 2 months maximum or 1 month. First examination report. Date of certificate 30th March certificate. Okay, this is the software related project. You can see the abstracts, claims, and corresponding patent certificate. Here they have applied through their own name, so that it has come the own name, not a company name. Okay, so like this, here the first examination reply. So after the first examination questions, they have replied also. how they have replied. You can see online. Objection 1. The objection 1, they have written the LD controller has objected that claim 1 to claim 13 inventive step in a view of disclosure cited D1 D2 we respectfully deny the same. तो वो लोग आंसर लिखा है. So how to reply this? The agent will do everything, but they will ask you technical stuff. Okay, agent at all. So like this, this is the patent process. Okay, and copyright and all is a simple one. Copyright, that is called diary number. Basically, copyright is called diary number, and you can give the agent will ask send a one format. You can fill the format. Copyright. That is called a name. Name you have to write, description of the work, title of the work. Okay, 2 pages if you 2 to 3 pages if you send to him, then you'll start for everything, eternity and all, power of eternity. Okay, very simple inputs he is asking. And diary number, I can see the diary number. Copyright diary number, copyright second, third, like this. Suppose I want to see this copyright. Right, status, diary status or copyright status. Here you have to enter a diary number. Right here, view the status. Okay, so this is the status. How many, all names and addresses and class of work, status. Okay, status, maybe they have not replied within 6 months, that is called abandoned. So that copyright status also you can see, and after that you will get a copyright certificate. Okay. So this is all about the patents. Okay, so what I'm requesting, many final year, all the final year projects you can apply for what patent, and definitely the credential will be very high for you. Okay. So now instead of giving a seminar, main thing is that I'm expecting many questions during the question answering session. Only the doubts will clear, so that I request all the participants, please you ask me a questions. And in the chat box, what I'll do, I'll put my cell number, because now our work will start. Any doubt, please you send me a SMS, otherwise WhatsApp call or call. And this is my email ID. And one more thing, you want to see detail, I have one YouTube, I made one session in the YouTube. You can go through once again and control V. That also I have sent. Otherwise, my YouTube channel is Dr. SN Theli. You can see this.
So anybody has any doubts, you can ask him. Like, no, he is So I have one doubt, Teli sir.
Yes, sir.
How to purchase a digital signature? Like a simple doubt.
Simple, sir. I'll show in the uh, digital. I'll show in the Google. Suppose what I'll share once again. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Whatever. Here, digital signature. E-Mudra, especially I have taken from E-Mudra. Here there is a class 2 and class 3. So class 3 is more costlier than class 2. E-Mudra. Okay. Here in this, he has mentioned validity is 2 year and buyer certificate starts from 1499. So you can start from here. And then online, sir. I have also gone through blind, and name and mobile number they will contact to you. Steps they have mentioned, and then they will send you a like a pen drive. Once you receive the pen drive, you have to call them. Then they will help you through any desk. Through any desk in front of you only, they are controlling your desktop. They are uploading on your PC, one particular PC, and after that, pen drive you attach to here, sir. Here I'll show especially how to attach this to IPR. Suppose, for example, Patent India. And once you apply the pen drive, it will ask for login and password, sir. You have to remember that login and password. Then you come to here comprehensive e-filing services. You comprehensive here. Now my password and this is I have set. So
This is for your digital signature, or it is password for IP side?
sir, through the digital signature login and password, sir. This is for my digital signature login and password here.
Okay, understood.
Okay, 1 minute, sir. I'll show inside RH. You want to do some signature on PDF, that pen drive is required, sir. Here the pen drive is not required. Once you set the login and password for the Indian patent website, no need of the pen drive. But if you want to sign on any document on a PDF, so you have to attach that. So here you can upload the form 1. You can upload.
So all form can be uploaded using a digital signature.
Yes, sir. Then payment is there. Payment submission is there. Payment. Once you payment, then that will be generate. The receipt will be generated here.
And this digital signature will be required for all inventors, or only?
No, only one.
Only one will do.
Only one. The 10 members are there, but one. Suppose if you want to apply through my digital signature, only disadvantage is that my name will come. So
yes, sir.
They will check you at least who has a digital signature, because already the Aadhaar card and PAN card I have attached. If something is wrong, they can catch me. So that at least one this is required, sir. So digital signature, just you go through, sir, in the Google, then you email and the cell number. They will call you immediately. Are you interested to purchase a digital signature? Okay. So that you have to pay this much, and they will send through the courier USB port. After that, you can call them. Then they in the phone they will tell you do like this, and sometimes if you are unable, they will ask You go for any desk, then they are taking your password. They are controlling your monitor entire thing, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So anybody else has some questions? Please go proceed.
Sir, can I ask a question, sir?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Hello, sir. This is Mr. Rao from the same institution, Father Configure Rodriguez College. And
Yes.
thank you very much, sir, for the very good information session that you have given to us. My question is, sir, as you have said about the examinations that are conducted after the filing and publishing of the work, you have an examination. Yeah, you so the examination. If you're giving power of attorney to a lawyer, so he will handle the examination. Is it
Yes,
right?
yes. Examination, they have a panel. They have a panel like suppose mechanical engineering panel, computer engineering panel. They will send. They will write the comments. That comment they will send to the agent. Okay.
Yeah.
And if it is a patent, means they will upload automatically. You can see in your web portal. Anybody can see. Just you put your number, then you go on see the status. Okay, examination has come. First FBR, first examination report. In the design patent, you cannot see anything. So in the design patent, they will write the status. Whenever you are seeing the status, they will send the first examination report as sent. Then we immediately will call to the agent. Have you received the examination report? He will tell yes. Then you have to force him. Please, you reply within as earliest. If it is any technical stuff, he will share that document with you through mail or through WhatsApp. If it is only legal side, like a class and subclass, like some but then he will manage. But ultimately, you will ask, these are some questions. Please, you help me, so that he will take the input from you, and they will write and they will send. There is no any physical examination or video conferencing examination. Only physical examination they can call you if they are not understanding. The agent, they can call you agent, and luckily it is in the Mumbai. The even agent can call to you. If it's a design patent, it is at Kolkata. So usually the lawyer, they have a correspondence. If even in the design patent, they can call the lawyer, and the lawyer has some lawyers and some agents and sub agents and all. Kolkata, they have some sub agent. They will send to the sub agent. He will handle like this. So for applicant, there is no need to go anywhere. For applicant, there is no need of any physical model, working model. Only this is a intellectual, means whatever your idea you put in the paper in the proper way. You give us some sufficient science or technological background, and you have to claim it, and you will get the patent.
Okay. So one more question from my side. So just like now you have the patents with you, it can be patents, it can be design patents, copyrights, and I think the trademarks and all. You have your own designs and all. So the thing is that, sir, now people say that when you have got all these things, then some people they advertise this and they make it commercialized. So can you put forth about the commercialization process after this?
After this, I have not received any, sir. I have not received any offer from any industry presently, because every industry they will see on Friday or the website. There is a wing. There is a different wing in big industries. There is a IPR cell or IPR wing. They will see the related product, related mechanism. Definitely, they will call to you. Otherwise, they will send a letter to that IPR office. We are interested on this. So, and even IPR cell is also involved in this. At least we have to inform both the sides before doing any agreement. So that IPR cell. And second thing, without your sign, without your permission, if they are copying, if you know, you can apply to the court, and definitely you prove it, and you will get whatever you are claimed. Suppose I want monetary gain is 2 crore rupees, because they will see how much they have done the business on your design, on your patent. They will see how much already earned the money. Based on this, they will return to.
Okay. So one more question, if it is okay. Sir, do you have any? Is there any subscription for any magazine related to the IPR, which the names can be seen and we can refer, which can be used in the library?
So, even sir, government website is sufficient. Every Friday, all Fridays at 5 years, 10 years back, all Fridays journals you can see in the design as well as in the full patent you can see.
No hard copies are provided when we do with a subscription.
No, sir, I have not heard actually. Even I don't have any idea because nowadays soft is sufficient and free. You can see in a
Okay.
free as well as soft. There is more than enough actually.
Okay, so okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Teli sir,
Yes, sir.
can you provide a name of any good lawyer, no, who can help us here? No, name and contact details.
If you have any requirement, definitely, sir, just you send me one SMS. I'll send his through the WhatsApp. I'll send his name and number. Presently, one is I am working with Nashik agent. I have applied for 5 out of 5, 3 are published. Now I am feeling he's reliable. So I can send the name number immediately to you, sir. No issue. In your mobile, I have your mobile number. I'll send. And just you give my reference name. And then usually in the lawyer, sir, you have to negotiate. Negotiation is very important with the lawyer, and you take in the mail, because especially in the design patent, no issue. Even in the design patent also, initially they are telling 11,000 rupees. You are paying. And the definitely in 99% cases, at least small query will come, and then they are asking, there is a professional fee. We are replying, otherwise the professional fee is 5,000. Then once again, you are negotiating 3,000. So instead of that, you take a mail from them, including all the queries, everything. The total should be 11,000 rupees. If you take a mail, then sir, there is no issue. Otherwise, fees is 11,000, and further they are asking. Even in a patent also. In a patent, some my friends, they have given 80,000. Some my friend has given 90,000. Initially, they are told 60. One Bangalore agent, my friend has applied. With a 60,000 he has paid, and after that no publication, and I have given all the inputs to my friend. Then he starts asking them why it is not published. Then he has asked, you pay 5,000 rupees. So totally he has paid 90,000, but ultimately, luckily, it has granted in month of March. So whenever you are dealing with any agent, you take in the mail the total fee, including fee. Including the examination, including the certificate fee. At least at the end, when the certificate they are receiving, they are telling, okay, congratulations, you got a certificate. Please, you collect the certificate with the 2,000 rupees. Certificate cost is 2,000 rupees. So that in the mail you have to mention, including up to the issuing of certificate, the fees is this much. So it is a good deal. So I can give the number. I'll send the number of that agent. No issue.
Okay, okay.
Okay, already I've given my number and mail. Please, you can ask me any help regarding the. I know some 1% of the patent process. I can help to you because I'm working from last 6 years in the patent process. So I know.
Definitely, your association will be useful to us because I am heading the research cell here. So by seeing your presentation, I am quite confident that at least design pattern we can do by ourselves.
Some colleges, they have applied. 2 years back, the DJ Sanghavi, Hari sir has called me for one presentation. I went, and Hari sir was also present. All HODs are also present. And I have told you, I have given the Maurkar number, agent number, and you call him and you negotiation him and you apply for 5 patents. But they have applied for 20 patents. Then after 3 months, Maurkar has called me, sir, I have got 20 patents. Then I have called to Vijay Kumar, sir. So it is a big move. And then every year they are going for 10 patents. In some colleges, sir, they are going for 100 patents in some college because NIRF, this is required. Even at the publishing, they are considering 50 marks. Grant is 100 marks. So publishing will help within 1 month publishing. Design is equivalent to the half of patent. They are considering.
I think because I have gone through the projects of many UG and PG students, and we can easily find even like a DJ Sang, their potential is there in our student, but we never explored that area of finding. So at some instant, no, we want to go for a bulk thing.
Sir, I'll send the format to you. You send the format to all the students.
Yes, yes, I will do it.
And they will fill, because I'll send a filled format only. They can understand easily. And
So first,
and
first-
tell me, sir.
first one or two will file with your help.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No issue, sir. I'll be involving. I'll talk with him. If any problem, we can talk in conference call also with the agent. In a conference call, we can call, and I'll introduce to you. And then definitely he knows about me, because I know many things, so that it will be the smoother for you. So definitely we'll apply, sir. Within the 1 month, we'll apply for 4 to 5 patents at least.
Anybody else want to ask something? Because
So one more question, sir, if you don't mind.
No, this is for question answering session. Up
Yeah,
to
yeah.
6 o'clock you can ask.
Rao sir, anyway, we can ask him later on also. Nothing.
Yeah.
I have taken the number. Kranti madam, you can go ahead.
Teli sir, what about software projects?
Usually software projects, madam, patents, my 2 to 3 I have guided in my Bharati Vidyapit. They have applied for patent, and the patents are published. Only thing is that software, basically many software will be there for a copyright. If in the software with application based,
Yeah.
and that will be the patent. Suppose I showed one patent software only. So if you want, I can send how they have written. What is their? You can send your mail. I'll send the software related patented projects. I'll send, and you will get the idea. Same project, how to write in a different manner. If you write in the different manner, it will becomes patent. Otherwise, if you are not showing any innovation, this will become a copyright.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. It was a very good session.
So,
Yeah.
from on behalf of IISc Cell and IPR Cell, I thank Dr. SN Teli for giving a valuable guidance in this area, and we are really thankful to you, because we have we really want the knowledge in this area, how to physically upload the forms and all this kind of things, and association with him will be fruitful. And we will, as from I request IISc people also to, whenever you need any kind of help, he is my very good friend. We can have him, and it can result into some movement, which will be result into a big movement of the patents or design patent. It's easily possible, because I have gone through the projects of our student. Every project has a potential. Only we are lagging in filling the forms and all these kind of things, and we're not having that knowledge. So
Yes.
really, thank you very much. Now I request all the participants to, if they can switch on their camera to take a selfie along with Teli sir. And I request all students, all the participants, to whomever it is possible. Thank you. And I am thankful to, especially to my B division student of first year who attended this lecture in a good spirit. So I am taking a just screenshot of it for our record purpose. And the address of and mobile number of Teli sir is already there in the what can I say, in the chat box. Please note it. In your coming years of your father annual Bandra, anytime you want to file a patent, you can first contact me, or even directly contact Teli. But ideally, I'll suggest to contact me. We will do it together. Like maybe an algorithm, maybe a book you want to copyright, maybe a small design you want to register, whatever it may be. And thanks a lot, Teli sir. And
Yes, sir.
here the association will be continuing. You will be there with us
We
for
are
in the future endeavors also.
friends. When you were in the LT, sir, we are from friends from so many years. No issue, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
It is my pleasure to associate with you and your college. Okay, sir.
And Rao sir, please take a picture from your desk also. Like, okay, thanks a lot. I will conclude this session. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye. Bye, sir. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Okay, participant, I am just ending the meeting. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.